Hello everyone. Let's start with some more concepts that are left in part 1 of variables and operators. In this video, we will learn some more concepts regarding the printing of matter in single line or multiple lines. So we will learn that what is the difference when we need to print some matter in single line or multiple lines. So what is the difference in Python 2 and Python 3? When we need to print the statement in multiple lines, then the code to print the statement in multiple lines will be same in Python 2 and Python 3. It means that it doesn't matter that we are working on Python 2 or Python 3 when we need to print the statement in multiple lines. So where the difference arises? The difference arises when we need to print the statement in a single line. So let's see that what is the difference when we need to print the statement in a single line. When we need to print the statement in the single line and we are using Python 2, at that time we need to use the code that we have seen in the previous video. So while printing the statement in a single line, we need to just write the print statement and then just put a comma. After that, we need to write the second print statement and then put a comma, and then we need to write the last print statement. And all the print statements get printed in the single line. It means that if we are using Python 2, then we need to follow this code if we need to print the statement in the single line. Now we will see that what we need to do when we need to print the statement in single line and we are using Python 3. In this case, we need to use this code. So what is the difference in the code? We need to write the print statement, and under the print statement, we need to write comma. After that, and is equal to inverted comma. And we can use single inverted comma or we can use double inverted comma. And we need to take care that there should not be any space between the inverted commas. Okay, it means that uh, this is the difference that we need to follow when we need to print this statement in a single line, but this time we are using Python 3, and we do not need to put any comma after the print statement. So by using this code, our statement will get printed in a single line if we are using Python 3. Thank you so much.